Hello friends, this is SK Tariqul Islam. Today I'm in front of you with another important content, and our today's topic is a very important topic, and we'll be learning as Python copy list. It means how we can copy a list into another list. That is, we'll be copying all the elements from list 1 and we'll put all those elements in list 2. So this is a very simple things, and we are not going to make our head puzzle. This is a very simple thing but very useful things when we will be working with Python. So let's jump into the topic, and our today's topic is Python list copy or Python copy list. Okay, again we'll be taking help from the renowned website, and the name of the website is W3 School. I told you that it is a very and one of the best website to learn programming. If you wanna visit, or if you visit this website, even this will be very clear to you. And today we'll be learning about copy Python list. That is how we can copy list 1 into list 2, or copy all the elements from list 1 to list 2. So what is the problem? Say for example, there are two lists. Number 1 is list 1 and number is list 2. So if I just, okay, let's create a list. Okay, x1 equal to square bracket 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, this is a list. I will be creating another list called x2, and I what I want to copy all the elements from list 1 to list 2. So how can we do that? We'll just use some Python syntax. And what are the syntax? Let's say for example, x2 equal to x1, print x2. Can you see that? But what is the problem? If I change the element of x1, then the element of x2 will be automatically changed. Why? Because this x2 is pointing towards x1, and all the items having the index value in x1 is just mirroring the things towards x2 in that triggers. So anytime if I in need of any new list, those who are similar, but if I change any value in list 1 by any occurrence, because I don't know that is when I need it, but these x2 value will be changed accordingly. So to get rid of from these problems, we'll be using a syntax called copy. Okay, just x3 dot, I will use a function called copy. Now print x. x3. Oh, thing. Equal to x1. So it will just copy x1, okay, x3. But if I change the value in x1, now say for example print x3, okay, But if I change the value in x1 like 7, if I change it 7, I can see the changes, because in x2 the value has changed. Just, have you seen that? The value has changed here, but the value is same here. There is a 6. So what happened over here? x3 is a copy but not a mirror. There is no item from x3 is directly pointing to us or to x1, but in x2 all the items are directly pointing towards x1. So this is the main reason, that is why we got to use this copy function, and we cannot directly mirror. Definitely we can do that if it is needed, but if I wanna just copy and make another variables or any another list which are similar to our previous one like x1, then we got to use this copy methods. But if I just wanna mirror the value from x1, then we will just use this x1 x2 equal to x1. So this is one thing, and another syntax we can use this list syntax. Okay, how is that? That is, okay, let me cut it down here. I will do x2 equal to list list dot x1. I think, is it? No, maybe there will be a function x1 dot list, and I think I don't need to provide anything. Well, let's see. I've just forgotten this. Okay, I was correct in, but why it is one. Okay, that was the syntax that I can use a function called x1, that is list x1, and I, in the parenthesis, I need to just pass the list which I wanna really copy, and if I just print it, and easily we can do that. So these are mostly 3 ways how we can copy any list from another list. So I hope you are clear, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so that once or when I upload any new content, you get a notifications. And if you like my content, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion or question, please write a comment below. I will definitely go through and come back with definite solutions. So being a beginner of a Python learner, definitely this is important way to learn and make a video or teach someone, so that you can learn perfectly, and syntax you can keep in your head very nicely. So no more today, and thank you so much for watching my video. I again request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and stay in tune, stay with me. Bye bye.